In this tutorial, I'll show you how to buy a product on Gumroad in a simple and practical way. First, understand this. Gumroad allows you to purchase digital products, memberships, courses, and other content directly from creators. You can buy products with or without creating an account, depending on the seller's setup. Now, if you want to buy a product on Gumroad, here's what to do. Start by opening the official Gumroad website. Next, log into your account if you already have one, or create a new account if needed. You can also make purchases without logging in, but using an account makes it easier to access your purchases later. After that, search for the creator's store or open the product page you want to purchase. You can also browse products using the Discover section on Gumroad. Then, open the product page and review the product details, pricing, description, and preview information. Now, click on the Add to Cart or Buy button. After that, enter your email address, billing details, and payment information. Gumroad may support payment options such as credit cards, PayPal, Google Pay, or other available payment methods depending on your region. Then, review your order details carefully and complete the payment process. Once the payment is successful, you will receive a purchase confirmation and receipt email with access to your product. You can also access your purchases later from your Gumroad library if you used an account during checkout. Usually, purchase issues happen because of incorrect payment information, failed transactions, or email mismatches, so carefully review your checkout details before confirming the purchase. That's it. By completing the checkout process properly, you can successfully buy products on Gumroad and access your purchased content immediately.